Here's a question almost nobody asks. What if the calendar on your wall is wrong? And the answer is yes, it is. Not wrong by a lot, wrong by a little. Every single day, seconds a day, minutes a month, hours a year. And here's the thing about lost time, it doesn't disappear, it accumulates. And if it's never paid back, it distorts everything downstream. Let's start with the calendar you know, the Gregorian calendar, 12 months, irregular lengths, 28, 30, 31 days, no rhythm, no pattern. Ask yourself why the ninth month is called September when septem means seven. The 12-month calendar is a patchwork of Roman politics, not a measurement of nature. Now consider that alternative, the 13-month calendar, 13 months of exactly 28 days each, every month identical. Every date lands on the same weekend forever. 13 times 28 is 364. And one day out of time, and you've matched the year. This isn't fringe thinking. The International Fixed Calendar was nearly adopted by the League of Nations, and the Kodak Corporation actually ran its business on it until 1989. Why 28? Because the rhythm of the moon. 13 lunar cycles per solar year. Nature already wrote a calendar, we just stopped reading it. Now the lost time. Here's the real astronomy. The Earth does not orbit the Sun in 365 days. It takes 364 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes, and 46 seconds. Our calendar simply ignores the remainder. Break it down. That's about 50 seconds of drift every single day, roughly 29 minutes every month, nearly 6 full hours every year. Time we lose that the calendar never accounted for. So what happens if that lost time is not equated, never paid back? The answer is distortion. And history proves it. The old Julian calendar ignored a fraction of this remainder, and the error quietly compounded for 15 centuries. By 1582, the calendar had drifted 10 full days away from the sun. Easter was sliding out of spring. So Pope Gregory did something radical. He deleted 10 days from existence. People went to bed on October 4th and woke up on October 15th. 10 days erased to correct the distortion. That's why we have leap years. Every 4 years, we deposit those lost 6-hour blocks back as one full day. And it still is not enough. Scientists add leap seconds to atomic clocks because even the Earth's spin wobbles. Time must be constantly reconciled, or the map of time detaches from the territory of time. Your calendar says spring, the Earth says winter. The gap between recorded time and real time, that is time distortion. Which brings us to the deepest idea here, the importance of staying on the edge of time. The present moment is the only place where time actually touches matter. Where the future condenses into the physical world, everything behind it is a record. Everything ahead of it is a projection. A calendar is supposed to keep you standing on that edge, synchronized with the earth, the moon, the sun, with what is actually happening now. When your timekeeping drifts, you drift. You start living slightly behind reality, planted by a calendar the seasons no longer obey, measuring your life in months that don't match any cycle of nature. So the lesson is simple. Time is not counted, it must be accounted for. Every lost second must be eventually equated, or distortion wins. Whether it takes 12 months or 13 months, the goal is the same. Stay reconciled, stay synchronized, stay on the edge of time, because that's the only place matter ever exists. Take your time, do the math. Find out your actual age. Be sure to look for future videos and like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for listening.